Hey friends, if you wish to show all drives in the this PC folder on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Open the File Explorer menu, click on the three dots at the top right corner, select Options, go to the View tab, and then scroll down. You'll find an option under Advanced Settings named Hide Empty Drives. Then uncheck it. Okay, click on Apply and then on OK. But you won't see the drives on the page. You'll have to go to the this PC page. Now I don't have any empty drives, so that's why. Oh yeah, I had an empty drive that is visible now. This is an interesting thing. Sorry, this wasn't empty. But if you have any empty drives, they will be visible here straight away. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.